Hi guys, I'm your friend Samar Chaudhary, and yesterday at night, I got a gift, and it's called the X Factor Bluetooth Disco Karaoke Speaker, and I'm really excited to open it and see what's inside. So let's see what's inside, because I've never had this before, so yeah, I'm a bit excited. I mean, very excited. So this is the manual. And then we've got all the stuff in here. These are the microphones. You'll connect them to the big part. And then this is the charger for the big part. And it's a bit heavy and stuck in there. Yeah, that's heavy in there. Right, I got the polythene out. That will hopefully help. So that's how it looks, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna connect it somewhere and see how it goes. Yeah. So and I'll probably need to get an adapter. So you get these microphones connected at the back. I'll just get the wires open. So this is the wire. It's pretty big. And then you connect it at the back, over there, like that. And I think this one is for this mic. So I'm pretty sure it won't work without this being charged. And these are the on-off buttons. So right now I've turned it off because it's not working. And I'm going to do the same with the other one. I feel like this is a bit hard. Get done. And this, I'm gonna connect it on microphone tip. And I feel like this is for the connection. And then that's where you turn it on from. I think it will work now. Hello? Hello? Yeah, it's working. Hello? Raise the volume. Hello? I'm just gonna do a Scottish poem, which I did in school. I only know one paragraph, so I'll just do it. What way does the engine say tut tut? Is there fear gang in the tunnel? What way is the furnace snow put when the rain gangs down the funnel? What will I have for my tea down it? A herring or maybe a haddie? Has Grandma got an electric glitch? Is the next stop for Caddy? So that's, I know. And then I'll get a phone. And as you can see up on the wall, it looks pretty cool. But I can't turn all the lights off, then you won't be able to see my face. So as you can see, it's just looking like a disco. Hello. What way does the engine say to the fear to gang in the tunnel? What way is the furnace no put out when the rain gangs down the funnel? What will I hear from a tea donut, a heron or maybe a haddie? Has grandma got an electric light? Is the next stop Kirkcaldy? Bye, I'll see you in our next video.